Hey you guys, what's up? So it is that time of the month again. The Ipsy Boxycharm box is here. So if you would like to see what's inside this month's box, then just stay tuned. A little disclaimer, Ipsy did send me this box to try. All right, so first things first, we have our little card here that says make bold moves. Bring on the bright hues and dopamine boosting glam. This month is all about chasing joy and expressing it through every eye look. First product inside this month's Ipsy Boxycharm box is the Thebriabeauty Easy Blur Primer. This is a silicone-free smoothing primer. This is going to give you that lightweight, soft focus effect. And I cannot wait to pick up the Easy Blur foundation and try this primer with that. Next, we have the Formula Z Pretty Magic Shadow Palette. And this is such a cute little neutral palette. Opening it up, it looks a little something like this. I love how they gave us a little pop of purple and blue in there. Next, we have the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes. This is the Platinum Mascara, and you guys, the packaging on this is so stunning. It is so different than anything I've ever seen before, and it's like a soft kind of packaging, very cool. And then there is what the wand looks like. This is 24-hour smudge proof and flake free. It has vitamin E and B5, as well as jojoba and avocado oil. Next in the box, we have the Glow Girl Cosmetics Lip Oil, and this is in the shade Literally. It looks a little something like this, and it is just so pretty, just a little lip oil. And last but not least, inside this month's Ipsy Boxycharm box, we've got the Maison Louis Marie No. 4 perfume. The top notes of this perfume is sandalwood and cedarwood. Middle notes are vetiver, cinnamon, and nutmeg. And the base notes are amber wood. So this is a very musky yet feminine kind of scent. Right up my alley. I'm in love. Well, that is it, you guys, for this month's Ipsy Boxycharm box. I just want to say a big thank you to Ipsy for sending me yet another box to try, and thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very soon. Bye, you guys.